Guys, greetings to everyone on the Asab trading channel, and with you Asab as always. And today we will talk about really very simple and very basic trading strategy. If you don't have the experience on the trading, you just can open the forecast where we trade the pocket option. You can use that indicator together and you will win exactly and absolutely, because these indicators really working very well. And so before we start, I want to ask you, subscribe to my Telegram channel and leave the comment and like under that video, because it is really important to me, guys. Let's get started. And so let's open the forecast where we will trade its pocket option, the best platform on the binary option in the world. And so time expiration for today's trading session will be 2 minutes, and time frame will be 2 minutes too. And so I will use two indicators for today's trading strategy. It will be the OSM indicator and Williams indicator. And so you must change the settings exactly like mine and find some new convention situation. And so guys, I entered to upper position by currency pair Euro GBP OTS, and so time expiration 2 minutes. I enter with $100 and we'll waiting our profit, but let me explain everything in detail. If you watch to the Williams indicator, the first indicator, we can see that this indicator have two lines, this support and resistance line, and this indicator have the curve line, the blue line. And so this line intersect the support line and directed to upper position, upper zone. So it's the first signal to enter to upper position. And if you watch to the OSM indicator, this indicator shows us a histogram and green candles, and that green candles line to upper zone. And if this red candles line to upper zone, that is signal to enter to upper position. If that green candles line to down zone, this is the signal to enter to down position. It's all very simple and all looks very simple. And so that price begin to change direction, and it's really not fun for us, but I think that all must be okay and all must be all right, guys. So it's really not the first trade in our pocket, and it's really very good, guys. It was the first trade and we moving on. So let's find some new convention situation. And so I entered to downward position Euro GBP currency pair, and so 2 minute time expiration, and I enter with $195, guys. And you can see that the Williams indicator shows us the intersection two lines, and curved line are directed to downward position, and it's really very clear signal to enter to downward position. And so if we watch to the OSM indicator, this indicator shows us the green candle line to down zone, and it is really second signal to enter to downward position. And so guys, I think that we right identify the trend direction, and so we just waiting for our profit. If you are a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Just subscribe to my Telegram channel where we trade every day with my team, and I'll send you the link in my VIP chat where we trade and earn really big money, guys. And so we're waiting for our profit, guys, and it's really looks really cool, and looks very good for us and for our saying. It's really delightful, guys. So I'm just fascinated that picture, guys. And so we get the second trade, guys, and $375 on my bank account. It was the second trade. It's really amazing, guys. Okay, I entered to downward position Euro tri currency pair, and so I enter with $375. And so guys, we're just waiting for our profit, but in this case, in this moment, we can see that a Williams indicator shows us intersect the two lines. It was the support resistance line and this curve line just are directed to downward position, and it really was a good signal to enter to downward position. But in this time it's something like reversal, but I assure you that all must be all right, guys. And so if you watch to the OSMI indicator, you can see that this indicator shows us the green candle line to down zone, and it is really cool signal to enter to down zone, guys, downward direction. And we're just waiting for our profit, but the two indicators gave us very clear signals, and we just waiting for our profit, and we just going to downward. So we're just waiting for our profit, guys. It's a really good training session, guys, because it is really two indicators. It's really interface this indicator really simple and basic, guys. And if you don't have the experience in the trading, and if you open the first once the platform, you can see and you can use that indicator, guys. So it's really very basic, and I love that indicators for that, and this indicator really working very well together. And so you can see the third trade, guys, in our pocket. It's really whew. And so oh my god, $720 on my bank account. So it's really hard, and we're moving on. And so we change the amount for one trade, and so we're just moving on. And so I entered to Euro USD currency pair to upper position, and let me explain everything in detail. And so I entered with $720, guys. And as you can see, so if we watch to the Williams indicator, we can see that this indicator shows us the resistance and support line, and the curve line intersect the support line, and just are directed to upper position. And so if we watch to the OSMI indicator, this indicator really shows us the bullish trend, this green candle line to upper position, and it was the really good bullish trend. So, and for that motion, I think that all must be all right, and all must be okay, guys. So we're just waiting for our profit, for saying our family, and for saying we can see that the price little bit jumping, and so it's really in the market, and all will happen in the market, guys. So you can see that this trading strategy working just amazing, guys. And so we can see that this price motion just directed to upper position, and it is our side, but in that moment I see the really not good motion to the dumping, and it's not good for us. But this motion have really little bit power, and this candle, oh my gosh, we catch that motion, guys. Woo! $1,382, guys. It's really sound really crazy, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, trading strategy working very well, as you can see, guys. So in the conclusion, I want to tell you that today trading session was really delightful, because we used the really basic and very simple trading strategy. With that really cool trading strategy, I increased my deposit from $100 to $1,300. It was the 8 minutes my free time. I know that you wanted the same. And not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me in the direct message, teach me, and I'll share all useful information that I have, and I'll send you the link in my V.I.P channel, where we trade with my team every day, where I'll give from 4 signals to 16 signals per day. It's really good results, guys. See you soon, and until the next time, hack you all until it crunches.